Welcome to our channel, where success in business starts with understanding the basics. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, you've landed in the right place. Here, we make accounting, tax compliance, and business management easy to understand. From in-depth tips and tricks on Philippine tax and accounting to live webinars and expert interviews with industry leaders, we've got you covered. Looking to navigate the complexities of Philippine business registration, or maybe you're exploring visa services and human resource compliance? We provide clear guidance and actionable advice to ensure you're always one step ahead. Our formula for success is simple. Learn the basic of accounting, comply with the rules, and save your business from unwanted penalties. With our practical tips, you'll save time, money, and stress. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for all the tips, tools, and expert insight that will help you thrive. Subscribe!